Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a quiz on Python operators and all the operators we've gone over in the previous videos. So if you haven't watched those and you're not ready for this quiz, I suggest that you watch the operator overview video and just get a general overview over the different type of operators there are in Python. Well, without further ado, let's start this quiz. So that's it for the quiz. I hope you found it enjoyable. Also, let me know in the comments below if you were able to complete the entire challenge. So smash that like button, destroy that subscribe button, and I'll see you in future videos.